Man, I'm so annoyed. I'm so annoyed. I am so annoyed. I'm not that annoyed, but I'm annoyed because I took a 4.5% 5.5%, 1 to 4.5 risk to reward trade on the Nasdaq on the 23rd, I believe, which was yesterday or day before yesterday, so 22nd. And man, I closed my trade and I got I let me show you. Let's go to the charts and we can see why I'm annoyed. So firstly, we're bullish, right? We're bullish on all time frames. If you look at the weekly, we had a strong doji to the downside. The daily's bullish. Everything is bullish. I am not selling, right? We broke these. This is the 4 hour time frame. We had a lower high, lower high. Now we formed a higher high. I was looking for a retest either at this zone or that zone, and we saw the retest here. Now, why did I take such an aggressive entry? Look at these wicks here. So if we just go down on the lower time frame, it's easier to see. But basically, if you go at this zone and see how price respected this zone previously, we melted into this level, reversed. Aggressive melt into this level, reversed. Melted into this level, reversed. Huge impulsive moves into this level and an aggressive reverse. Aggressive reversal. Every time you came into this level, we had aggressive reversals. So when I saw this, I said, you know what? As soon as I see a rejection, I'm entering. As soon as I see a rejection, I'm entering. And then boom, on the 10-minute time frame, I saw this rejection right here, literally that rejection. And I said, yep, since base of the past, we have reversed aggressively. I'm going to enter. Now, what's happened? Because it hit take profit. I should be in profit, right? Now, what actually happened was I looked at the weekly time frame, and this is such an annoying reason and really something I need to work on in my trading. This is as transparent I can get as it can get, by the way, because it's something I need to work on and something which affects my psychology in trading. Now, why did I close the trade? If you go on the weekly time frame, we haven't formed the wick to the downside yet. Yes, when we were at this zone, we were around this price level right here. So I said, you know what, we're probably going to form that weekly wick and then we're going to go in my direction. We were here and the weekly wick would have been formed around here, hitting my stop loss. So I said, you know what, maybe I entered too prematurely. We had this bearish engulfing. We're going to form that wick and then go in my direction. I don't want to take a loss, especially because it's the last trade of the year for me. And obviously it's Christmas holidays. Christmas Eve in 2 days and bank holidays this week, so let me just close the trade. But it was literally, the main reason was because we didn't form the wick on the weekly. That affected my, psychology. That affected my, thought process, and it's something I need to work on. I know it can be stupid to some of you, and what the hell, why? Yes, just because that wick wasn't formed, I thought in my head we're going to form that wick and then go in my direction. Since we were so close, since we had that aggressive move, I said, but my reason for entering the trade was perfectly correct based on my analysis, but it was just the wick